Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a welcome voice message when you're starting your PC. First of all, you need to open your notepad. You can open notepad by clicking your Windows key and R key and then type as notepad and then click on OK. After that, it will open your notepad and then you need to paste this code on your notepad. This code will be in the description box, so you can copy that code and then paste it in your notepad. And then you can type that voice message. So in the description it will say as welcome, 2. So you can highlight this 2 and then comma, and then you can click on delete. After that you can type the voice message. If you want, you can also delete the welcome word. Okay guys, after you type in your welcome voice message, you can save it by clicking on file and then click on save as, and then you can save it to any folder in your PC. I'm gonna save it to my music folder, and then you can name your file as you wish. As example, I'm gonna name it to voice message. After that, your extension should be .vbs, and also the save as type should be at all files. After that you can hit on save and then open this PC and then go to that folder where you save that code. After that you can play your voice message by right click on it and then click on open.
Welcome CreateObject.
It will play your voice message like that, and then you need to create a shortcut. You can do that by right click on it and then click on create a shortcut, and then you need to put it to your desktop. After that you need to put this to your startup folder. So you can open your startup folder by clicking Windows key and R key together. After that, type as shell : startup, and then hit on OK. After that it will open your startup folder, and then drag and drop this to your startup folder, and yeah, that's it with your PC. And yeah, let's see if it's working. As you can see, I'm gonna restart my PC. Okay guys, I restart my PC. Let's see it plays my welcome voice message.
Welcome CreateObject.
Okay guys, it plays my welcome voice message, and you can go ahead and try this method to add a welcome voice message to your PC. If you guys need more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so you don't miss any videos like this. That's it for today. Peace.